this at the speed of sound here, if you don't mind. So f prime of x is equal to 1 bracket x plus 5 to the 1 cube, 1/3, minus x plus 2 times 1/3 x plus 5 to the negative 2/3, all over x plus 5 to the 2/3. All right, can I get everyone to close their eyes for a quick second? Can I get everyone to close their eyes for a quick second? Who got that answer? Raise your hand, please. Who came close but made a small mistake? Okay, do you know what happened now? Hopefully, those 3 people? Yes? Okay, good. You can raise your heads now, all right? Now, here is the magical question. What am I taking out as a common factor? Can I get some brave soul to tell me the 2 things that I'm going to take out as a common factor, other than Michael? Rebecca, is that a hand?
No one.
Oh, I thought that was a hand. Are you sure that wasn't a hand?
I am positive.
Okay. I'll start with my number. What number am I factoring out both those? What? 1/3. Good. Okay, so 1/3 is being factored out. Now here's the other thing. What bracket is being factored out here right now? Go ahead. Yeah. So what's going to be factored out here is x plus 5 is the negative 2/3, because that's your negative part, right? Okay, now here's the trick. If I divide, because when you're factoring, you're dividing. What's 1 divided by 1/3?
3.
3. And the trick, x plus 5 to the 1/3 divided by x plus 5 to the negative 2/3 is going to be what? X plus 5. The beauty of these questions is they will always work out magically. Okay. On the right-hand side, I divide 1/3 by 1/3. This cancels. X plus 5 to the negative 2/3 divided by that cancels. I'm just left with a minus x plus 2. All over x plus 5 to the 2/3. Okay, I'm going to take a step back, start with the coughing. Are we sort of okay with what just happened there, mostly? Okay, like these will take a few questions to practice up. Okay. To finish up here, I'm just going to expand out the numerator, so I'm going to call this f prime of x is 3x plus 15 minus x minus 2 all over 3 x plus 5 to the 4/3. So f prime of x is equal to 2x plus 13 all over 3 bracket x plus 5 to the 4/3. Now, me doing this question, I don't want to imply that this is easy. This is not easy. The thing is, I've literally done about 1,000 of these in my life. So for me, it's easy. For you guys on your second example ever, this is difficult, okay? So that's okay. What you'll notice here is if you're somebody that's keeping score, which I don't know if you are or not, you're always subtracting 1 from the thing that you're dividing by. So you have an x plus 5 to the 1/3, that changes to 4/3, right? Like it's 1 extra in the denominator for the powers, okay? So that's something to check if you need to. Yeah, everyone? Yeah. Yeah. Right, and that's what I did, right? If I divided by x plus, divided the whole thing, well, yeah, but this turns to x plus 5 to negative 4/3. Yeah. Well, because they know a common denominator. Right? Then you have 2 terms again, right? So, right, but the problem is, like, if you're trying to solve an equation, it's actually possible to solve something like this. Like, Evan, if you're talking about doing, like, f prime of x, this is still correct. It's x plus 5 to the negative 1/3, right? Minus 1/3 x plus 2 x plus 5 to the negative 4/3. Okay, right? That's fine. Let's say I say solve this is equal to 1. You would have no way in heaven of ever solving that equation. Like, it would be literally be impossible. I'm not trying to put you down, but it's the truth. It's like it's very, very difficult to solve that. This here, it's much, much easier to solve. Or let's say this is equal to 0. Very difficult. This is trivial to solve equal to 0, right? It's just going to be negative 13 over 2. Yeah, maybe 13/2, right? So it's that's the advantage of doing it this way, right? So yeah, yes. Oh, no problem. Let's erase this here. Where the red went was, since these are all fractions, it all went to the denominator here. So 1/3 changed to 3 in the denominator. So that's this here, right? And then 2/3, so negative 2/3 divided by 2/3 is going to be 4/3 in the denominator. So negative 4/3. Okay. Okay. Homework. Now remember, we're only halfway through our unit still. Even though I gave you a choice assignment, it is not yet time to pack in the homework and start doing your assignment. Because remember, your assignment in this unit is just derivatives. There's no application questions at all. So please try, make sure you get all the word problem things down. Like find the tangent of this and all that stuff. It's in the textbook. Because there's very few of those that are on your assignment, yet they will be on your test. Okay, this is the first assignment of the year that's going to be a little bit different, the assignment and the test, okay, for that. So the assignment is just meant to be the most difficult derivatives I can think of. Okay, so for that, but for all the applications, then this one. We're good? Okay. But all the application stuff, there isn't much application stuff in the assignment, alright, so. Yes, is math hard work? Yes, it can be hard work. You guys can do this though. There's certain rules that just apply for this. You guys can do this, right? This isn't trivial to do. I'm hoping everyone can at least get to here no problem right now. Right? It's the next part going down that takes a little bit of work, but you guys can handle that. Have any questions? No? Okay. Alright. Oh, not really much at all. And this is what you're going to find in university when people say they don't get their calculators. People are all freaking out, right? Like, what do you need a calculator for a question like this? You don't, right? And the same thing, once you guys memorize your special triangles, which hopefully you have, and if I were to say cos of 225, and you should hopefully know what that means. If you don't, you will by the time you get to university. They can get away with not having calculators. See everybody, have a good day.